Hi guys, today is an awesome day and I want to thank you all for watching my previous videos, and I thank you for watching this one as well. Today we're going to do a review of Deepin 20 as well as a little bit of usages of Linux distributions. Now this is Deepin 20 that I'm using right now, and Deepin 20 is the newest Deepin operating system, which is based on Debian. It is also a very beautiful operating system. As you can see, well, this is just an interface that has been placed here. There is a lot inside here that you may need to explore, like there's a new launcher, unlike the traditional list launchers that we've been having, and the Deepin has been different all along. It's just really amazing. You have the new icons, a new dock. Well, the app drawer itself can be reduced to a smaller size or a larger size, depends on you. You have a show desktop. You have the files here. The files have changed. There's all around the frame around them, which makes them look really awesome in every way possible. The themes are also there. As you see, you can go to personalization and you'll find themes for it. There's a light theme, auto and dark as well. There's an icon theme, a cursor theme, an icon theme that looks like that. This is the old Deepin theme, this is the new Deepin theme. There's a cursor theme which looks like this. There's a font which you can choose to your specification. This is Deepin 20 beta. There's only a 64-bit version of this. Yeah, the display is also very awesome. We have a notification system with everything. Well, the notification bar looks like Mac mostly, as you can see. It's really well built. We have a calendar, as you can see, with everything really well built, for real. It is well placed as well. You have a night mode, the dark mode. The multitasking view makes it look like Mac operating system in ways, as you all can see, and it's awesome as it is. Yes, as you can see, it's beautiful. There is this dock which is changed. You can change the mode to fashion, which gives you a larger personalized mode, or the one that I have placed, which is which is awesome for my screen. The location can be changed, the status, the plugins, everything on this operating system is new, as you can see. Everything is awesome. They have gone out of their way to do everything as beautiful as possible. Well, this operating system just amazes me. It changes the view of operating systems for everyone out there. Like, it's based on Mac, including its wallpapers everywhere. Like, it's every wallpaper. It even has the Mac OS Mojave theme, which is in dark mode, and it has really awesome desktop skins as well. It has a wallpaper. It has a screensaver as well. This is the first distribution of Linux to have a screensaver. instead of Wallpaper. I've never seen any other, but this is not my first Deepin operating system. I've used the 15 series, the 15.5 to 15.11. Those were awesome, but this is just on another level. The Windows does not even come near this in terms of usage and its user friendliness. The GUI is just different in every way possible. Yeah, and for a daily user, you can use this with so much comfort. You'll even forget you are supposed to be using any other operating system, which is the best. You can use this for every other task Linux does. This one also can do. As much as it's not as efficient as the others, as the ones dedicated for it, it will still do them perfectly. It will game if you're a gamer. It will do the graphic designs if you're a graphic designer. You can actually even hack with it. There's a bit of tools that you can use here that are universal. You can use everywhere. Speaking of that, there are distributions of Linux. As a user, you may be wondering, security. When it comes to security, there are Linux for security, e.g. the Fedora. There is a Cyborg Hawk Linux based on Ubuntu 14 LTS. There is a Kali Linux. There is a Black Arc Linux. There is Arc Linux itself, Parrot OS. The list just keeps going and going and going. It's a big list, which I will expound on in my next video. But for every other user who is not into security and cyber security itself, you can use other distributions of Linux. It's not really a must that you can use the Deepin Linux. There is Linux Mint, Ubuntu, there is the Debian itself. There's Zorin, as you can see the last video I did. Well, yeah, if you are a new user to Linux, I'd advise you to use Ubuntu because it's the most basic Linux there is out there. Thank you for watching. If there is more questions on a specific type of Linux that you may be interested in, you can just comment and I will reply. Yeah, and the more videos I do will be of different Linux distributions. Thank you.